Okay, now we're going to take a look at how to add a new product to a J2 store on a Joomla website. So first you want to go to the back end of your website and log in. Next you want to go to the components menu and select J2 store. Next we're going to click on Catalog, then click Products. You can see the list of products here. We're going to add a new one, so at the top left of the screen there's a New button. Click New. Okay, up in the title we're going to type in the name of the product. Which is this, and we're going to say what category it belongs to. This product belongs to a category called Soul Journey, so I'm going to click that. Then we're going to just type in some information about the product here. We're going to say what size it is, perhaps, for example. Anything you want here. I'm going to put this here. Right. Then we're going to go to the J2 Store Cart tab. And it says treat as a product? Yes. And because we're going to offer two sizes, I'm going to change this to variable. Click Save and Continue. Okay, then we click on the J2 Store Cart tab again, and you could select if it was taxable or not. This is not taxable, so we're going to leave that. Click on Images. We're going to add a thumbnail, so click on Select an Image. We've got ours in a folder called Final, and the category I've put the images into for this is Soul Journey, so we'll click Soul Journey, and it's called Turn Left, so we scroll through here until we find I've got a main image and I've got one I've reduced to a thumbnail, which I've put a -T at the end. So select your smaller thumbnail image, click Insert, then you want to go to Main Image and select Image. Again, we've got them in Final. It's the Soul Journey category. And we scroll there looking for the main one. Here it is here. So we click the main image, click Insert. Then we're going to set the two sizes small and large. So we're going to click Variants, and we're going to say Add Option. Go up the top and click Save. Then we come down here and we click on Set Values next to size, okay. And then we're going to add all options. You'll see a small and large appear. Come across to the right and click Save Changes. Then you can go to the top right of the screen. There's a little X. You can click that to close this window. Then we're going to click Save again, just to be sure that the process is all saving. Then we come down below this here to Generate Variants. And it's going to make two versions of the product, a small and a large. So let's click Generate Variants. And you'll see down below it's got a small and a large. So we'll click Small, and we're going to say enable shipping, yes, because we do want to ship this product, and the price for the small one is 90. Go up to the top left and click save. Then we scroll down the screen again to the large, and we're going to enable shipping for the large, and we're going to put the price of 100 for the large, and that's basically all we need to do. We're going to click save and close, and we can check our work by clicking on this little tab at the top right to open a new tab. We're going to go up to order print soul journey to see the shopping cart front end updated, and there's our new product. Turn left for rest stop. You see the other products there. We'll just click on this product here to take a closer look, and you can preview it. Have a look here. We can go and say, look, we'd like a large one of that. The price updates. We can add it to cart. We could go to the checkout if we wish. I've got a couple of things in there. You can either continue shopping, you can look at the estimated shipping, proceed to checkout, and it'll throw the shipping in later, whatever you want to do. But that's as simple as it gets. It's just quite simple, no more to do. And then I guess if you have another product, go back and repeat the process again. Thanks for watching.